Greeting dear children, today I will explain you those questions in which discount percent is given and we have to find the sales price. These are the try these of page number 121. So you can open the book simultaneously to understand. Question is, a shop gives 20% discount. Discount percent is 20% and we have to find the selling price if marked price. Marked price is given to be marked price of dress is equal to rupees 120 and we have to find selling price. There is this is a mostly lure to all the members ki discount is there, and whenever discount is there it means the object will be at the price lesser than the tag it is wearing. If we go to buy any article, there are marked prices, tags on them ki this is the cost of this article. But if discount is there, then we get that thing in lower cost. So we have to find that cost which a customer will have to bear when discount is there. Marked price of dress is rupees 120 and there is discount of 20%. It doesn't mean कि 120 में से 20 minus करो. No, 20% discount है. 20% means out of 100 20 rupees का discount है. तो 120 पे कितना discount हुआ? तो discount in rupees is equal to 20% of rupees 120. Please mind it. 20% of 120 does not mean 20 rupees. Let us calculate. 20% sign when we will remove, there will be 100 in the denominator of rupees 120. So 10 cancel here, 1 here. So it will be rupees. Now see, 12 twos are 24. तो इसका मतलब 20% of 120 20 रुपीज नहीं है ना. कितने रुपीज आ गए? 24 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट मिला है. डिस्काउंट इन रुपीज 24 है. इसका मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस कितना होगा? Therefore सेलिंग प्राइस कम होगा कि ज्यादा? कम होगा, क्योंकि डिस्काउंट है. डिस्काउंट माना प्राइस कुछ कम हुआ है. तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू मार्क प्राइस माइनस discount in rupees. Discount in rupees. So what will be there? Mark price कितना था? 120 minus 24. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 2 is 9. So 120 rupees की चीज कितने रुपए में मिलेगी? 96 rupees में. So selling price or SP is equal to rupees 96. Have you got it? This is simple. Now, next same kind of question is a pair of shoes marked at rupees 750. So, I am doing that. Shall I rub this? So, discount again is this. Mark price of now instead of dress. Same, just similar way we will be doing this question. This is the second part of try these. A pair of shoes marked at rupees 750. So mark price of shoe pair is rupees 750 and discount percent is again given to be 20%. So discount in rupees will be 20% of rupees 750. That is 20 by 100. परसेंट का साइन रिमूव हुआ, ऑफ की वजह से मल्टीप्लाई 750. 75 twos are rupees 150. So discount will be of 150. So it means selling price will be 750 minus 150. That is equal to how much rupees? This will be 600 rupees. I think now you have understood the concept कि how to do these kind of questions. So C part you have to do yourself. Now question number 2 is a table marked at rupees 15,000. This is the marked price. I am doing the question. I have left C part for you. Do C part yourself. Okay. Now question number 2. A table marked at this price means tag is of this much rupees. Marked price is rupees 15,000 and it is available at 14,400. So it means its selling price is rupees 14,400. So how much is the discount? Discount in rupees. What is the difference in 2? That is the discount. So we will minus 0, 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 600 rupees. So 600 rupees is the discount. So discount in percent will be, discount in percent will be discount on, discount is on what? Discount is always on the marked price, earlier price, original price. Discount upon marked price into 100%. डिस्काउंट उसी पे मिला ना जो टैग पे वैल्यू लिखी हुई थी, उससे कम होगा ना रेट, तो मार्क्ड प्राइस से कम करेंगे. तो डिस्काउंट इज 600 अपॉन 15,000 इंटू 100. और 100 तो जब भी लगाते हैं तो परसेंट का साइन लगाते हैं. 2 0 कैंसिल, दिस कैंसिल. 15 से यू नो द 15 टेबल. 15 4 द 60. So how much is the discount? 4%. Discount percent is 4%. Have you got it? So question number 4 is, question number 3, I'm sorry. This was question number 2. Question number 3 is, an Almirah is sold at this rupees after allowing 5% discount. Find the marked price. This is different question. Very important also. See very carefully. Let us do question number 3. Shall I rub this? Question number 3. Question number 3 is, selling price is given to be rupees 5,225. This is the selling price. And discount percent is 5% and we have to find marked price. See, discount is given on the marked price and marked price is not known. So let marked price be X. Let marked price be rupees X. So discount percent is 5%. Discount in rupees, I cannot find कि इसमें 5% ऑफ ये ऐड कर दो. नो, ये तो डिस्काउंट के बाद की वैल्यू है ना. तो जो मार्क्ड प्राइस है वो एज्यूम करेंगे, उसमें से डिस्काउंट रुपीस को माइनस करेंगे और जो वैल्यू आ जाएगी उसको सेलिंग प्राइस से इक्वेट करेंगे. लेट अस डू डिस्काउंट इन रुपीस इज 5% of X. 5% of X means 5% means out of 100. 5x by 100 means I have done the cancellation. I hope this cancellation is known to you. So this is X by 20 rupees is the discount. This is the discount in rupees. It means selling price is what? Selling price is marked price minus discount in rupees. Marked price is X minus X by 20. क्या ये चीज आपको समझ आई है? एक बार वापस इस चीज को रिवाइज कराऊं. सेलिंग प्राइस दे रखा था 5225, डिस्काउंट परसेंट वाज 5% और मार्क प्राइस निकालना था। डिस्काउंट हमेशा मार्क प्राइस पे होता है, तो इसलिए हमने मार्क प्राइस को क्या एज्यूम किया, x। लेट मार्क प्राइस इज x, 5% ऑफ x तो डिस्काउंट हो जाएगा इन रुपीज, तो 5% ऑफ x निकाल लिया, इट इज x/20। इतने रुपए की डिस्काउंट मिला है इस रुपीज पे, मार्क प्राइस पे। तो अगर मार्क प्राइस में से ये डिस्काउंट माइनस कर दूंगी तो वो सेलिंग प्राइस आ जाएगा, और ये भी सेलिंग प्राइस है, इन दोनों को इक्वेट कर देंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा x माइनस x/20। x को x/20 और ये सेलिंग प्राइस के इक्वल है, यानी 5225 इसके इक्वल है। यहाँ एलसीएम ले लूं तो 20, this will be 20x minus x, this is equal to 5225. 20x I am doing this on this place so that it may not be so down for you. 20x minus x is 19x by 20 is equal to 5225. 5225. So I have to find x. This will go up and this number will go down. X is 5225 into 20 upon 19. So let us find. We will do the cancellation. 19 twos are 38. I will have to check 5225. 19 2s are 38. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So next number will be 19 8s का चेक करें, 8 9s are 72, 8 1s the 8. This is exceeding. This is 152. 19 7s are 133. So 19 7s are 133. 19 5s are 95. So this is cancelled. 275. And now 275 to be multiplied with 20. 1 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So answer will be x is equal to means mark price. So the thing which was having the mark price 5,500, that is discount after discount of 5%, that is in 5225. Have you got it? So with this we have done. Try these questions. Now you are able to do question first of exercise 8.2, question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 8.2 we can do now. Let us do question number 1, exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2, question number 1. What is there? Man got 10% increase in the salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find the original salary. After increased salary is given and we have to find the previous one. So let the previous or original salary be X rupees. Let the original salary be rupees X. How much is the jump? 10%. Percentage increase 10%. So what is 10% of X? Increase in rupees increase in rupees is 10% of X. 10% of X. X by 10 rupees. So new salary is equal to original plus increase in rupees. Whatever is given, we are doing step by step. Are you getting it? It was given कि 10 after 10% increase, new salary is given, and we have to find original salary. Whatever we have to find, we take it as X. So original salary X rupees, percentage increase 10% increase means jump plus. So increase in rupees 10% of X. 10% means 10% means 100 upon में, of means multiply X. तो कैंसिल किया तो आया रुपीज X by 10. क्योंकि इंक्रीज हुआ है सैलरी में, तो नई सैलरी कितनी हुई होगी? ओरिजिनल प्लस इंक्रीज. ओरिजिनल सैलरी थी X प्लस इंक्रीज कितना है? X by 10. एलसीएम ले लेते हैं, क्या आ जाएगा? 10x प्लस x. बताओ क्या आ गया? 11x by 10. पर ये तो क्या गिवन है कि इंक्रीज के बाद सैलरी कितनी हो गई है? 1,54,000 according to given. I am writing on the side so that it may be clearly visible. According to given, new salary is equal to rupees 1,54,000. So 1,54,000. So equating 11x by 10 is equal to 154,000. So what should I do? X is equal to, इसको ऊपर ले जाते हैं और 11 को नीचे, 154,000 into 10 upon 11. 11 ones the 11, 11 fours the 44 and 3 zeros. इसके साथ ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो 14 के आगे 4 zeros. 14 के आगे 4 zeros. तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हो गया? रुपीज 1,40,000. तो ओरिजिनल सैलरी यानी इंक्रीज से पहले सैलरी कितनी थी? ओरिजिनल सैलरी इज रुपीज 1,40,000. So you have to do this question. Try these also. You have to do in your notebook. Question number 1, and you will do question number 2 as well. Question number 2 is, on Sunday 845 people went to zoo. 169 went on Monday. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? डिक्रीज निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? संडे जो पीपल विजिट किए थे माइनस मंडे को जो विजिट किए थे, चेंज निकाल लेंगे, डिक्रीज निकाल लेंगे. फिर उसके बाद डिक्रीज अपॉन ओरिजिनल. ओरिजिनल माना संडे से डिक्रीज हुए हैं ना, तो डिक्रीज अपॉन संडे विजिटर इनटू 100%. तो यहाँ तक आपने अपने कॉपी में कंप्लीट करना है. सो कंप्लीट योर वर्क. Good day. Thank you very much.